Hello everybody, Arie here, and in this video, I'm going to be simplifying the process of creating an e-commerce store for you so that you don't overthink it and just get started already. So on this channel, we cover a lot of different e-commerce related content, lots of case studies, lots of tutorials, and in a recent tutorial, I covered the step-by-step formula on creating an e-commerce store, and it's a really practical video. So this video will be based on that video, so I suggest you check that out. But basically what we're going to cover is a great marketing strategy here that you can use and then pair with some of those low budget strategies that I've been showing you recently. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Of course, if you do enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe for more. So here we go. I was browsing TikTok the other day and stumbled across this brand called Golf Daddy. And obviously it goes without saying, guys, do not copy any of these brands, especially the ones that are up and coming. These people are just like you and me, and they're just trying to get their business off the ground. So if anything, we should be supporting these brands. This is just a really good example of a simple brand that is succeeding because they're not really overthinking the process and just taking massive action. So basically what this brand does is sell this golf training aid. I'm not a big golfer, so I don't really know exactly all the benefits of this, but they clearly understand the benefits of this and clearly know the pain points of golfers. So a great first step here to creating a simple business that you love working on is actually finding a niche that you love and looking for products that solve pain points within that niche. So this is an example of that. I'm sure these people knew about golf, they love golf, and therefore they understand the niche so well that they just simply found a product that fit the niche, solved some problems, and now they built a successful e-commerce business that's generating a ton of money. So their landing page is extremely simple. This is basically like a page builder app. This is most likely built on an app like Gem Pages, which is basically just a page builder. It's not too expensive, so I definitely recommend you guys check it out. And you can create a landing page very similar to this. They use a lot of trust factors here, so that's another thing that we can point out that you should be utilizing is, really just adding little things here and there that are going to make the customer trust you. But this is actually a really great landing page, all things considered. I mean, it's not like the cleanest branding of all time or anything, but it gets the point across so well. It tells you all the benefits. They even compare it to a golf course, which is actually something that's really clever to do. Showing your product against competitors or other alternative solutions to the problem that you're solving is a really good idea, because then it's like, okay, well, yeah, $40 for this and it'll help me get better at golf instead of having to take golf lessons. That's a huge benefit. And then they got a little FAQ. Now, I'm pretty sure this brand is not drop shipping. They probably have inventory now in the US because they offer pretty fast shipping. And that's exactly how you should be approaching this. You maybe start out with drop shipping, but honestly, you don't even have to. And then you quickly move into improving the customer experience as fast as you can by shipping from the States, or at the very least shipping with a sourcing agent that can ship to the US relatively fast, like in 8 to 12 days. And one of the things that you can do to find really good opportunities within niches that you love is going on Google Trends and trying to search for different trends. So for example, if we just look at the golf trend, right, it's pretty consistent, I guess, but it's nothing too crazy, right? It's not like a breakout trend. But if we look at home golf, we can actually see that that is a breakout trend, and it is something that more people are starting to look for, especially after the pandemic. Or even just the keyword golf training aid, we see that this is actually something people are looking for more and more. I mean, it's not a super big breakout trend, but it's a better opportunity than if you just create an overall golf brand. That's a little too broad, but if you can niche it down to a particular pain point, that's going to be great. So for this example, I want to also reference a really popular golf brand because this is where you could actually get a lot of your branding inspiration from. I actually think that's the best thing that you can do. So whoever owns this Golf Daddy brand, that's one suggestion I would make, is maybe improve the branding by looking at what other people are doing really well. So for example, this brand, they're getting 1.3 million monthly visitors, and it's only going up, as you see. Like, this is a really nice chart, and their branding is very similar to what they're doing, just a little bit cleaner, a little bit cleaned up and refined. I mean, obviously these people have like a ton of resources to work with, but still. So if you want to find a product like this, then make sure you watch the Finding Winning Products speed run that I made recently. And then once you find a product that you love in a market that you love, then move on to our low budget marketing strategy, which involves exactly what these people are doing: posting a ton of content organically to social media, not only on TikTok, but on Instagram Reels as well. And then utilizing these as ads and then testing a ton of different ads with paid media. That's going to be an easy way to scale a brand like this. So that's the exact process that you should be following. But these people are killing it. They even got these custom shirts made and everything. I really love this brand and I really love what these guys are doing. So I just want to help them out in any way I can. I also think another great thing that they could add is like a free course. Perhaps like maybe they could record like a 3-part series on improving your swing with this thing and adding that to this offer. I feel like that would convert really well. But that's about it. I just wanted to share this real quick with you guys since a lot of you guys are still a bit confused on how you can actually start an e-commerce business. So I wanted to make it as simple as possible for you. So with that said, check out all the links in the description and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.